Here are 5 easy steps for applying to Arden University. Step 1. First, choose a course and complete our online application form. After you've submitted this, one of our team will get in touch. Step 2. You'll need to provide us with a few documents to support your application. These may vary from course to course, but in general, we'll ask for a form of identification and proof of your current address, copies of your previous qualifications, a short personal statement. If you want to apply based on your work experience, then we'll also need a copy of your CV and references from your most recent employer. Step 3. Once we've received all the information we need from you, our admissions team will review your application and get back to you with a decision in a few days. Step 4. If your application is successful, we'll email you an offer pack. To accept and confirm your place, you should sign and return this to us by email within 5 working days, along with confirmation of how you intend to finance your studies. Step 5. You're now officially a student at Arden and well on your way to gaining a life-changing degree qualification from one of the UK's most forward-thinking universities. Apply now.